buddy, what you doing?
Folks will get a kick out of that too.
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Right after this.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Texas hardtail.
Give me a kiss.
Lingerie contest.
Where's Sparky? Sparky. Give me a kiss.
Texas hardtail. Tuesday at 8:30.
Where's Sparky? Sparky. Give me a kiss. Where's Sparky? Sparky. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Where's Sparky? Sparky. Give me a kiss. Where's Sparky? Sparky T. Where's Sparky? Sparky. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Chevy's proud to be the #1 selling passenger.
Where's Sparky? Sparky.
And we have the most dependable longest.
Where's Sparky? Sparky T.
We've always broken the rules. Now we're rewriting them.
Give me a kiss.
Chevy employee discount for everyone. You
Give me a kiss.
not a cent more. We're continuing.
Give me a kiss.
Employee discount for everyone. Get employee pricing on almost every.
Where's Sparky? Sparky.
The Chevy employee discount for everyone ends September 6th.
Where's Sparky? Sparky.
Meet Bill. Movies are his life.
Where's Sparky? Sparky T.
How's that exact chance? He's always
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
time he gets home. His movies have already started.
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Stars on demand. Now Bill gets new hit movies he can start whenever he wants. It's free with his subscription to Stars, and it's not available on satellite. On demand can't solve all his problems, but it's a start. Order Stars with Stars on Demand today. Call Charter Communications at 1-888-GET-CHARTER.
Where's Sparky? Sparky.
You know, in our last couple of weeks, our guest line